Hi, the first website that I chose was one that I just came upon called Read, Write, Think. And as a future teacher, someone who's not in a classroom, I did not realize this was out there. So, this is a website that has grades from kindergarten through 12th, and you can choose one, and it goes in to different uh, science where you can even get a lesson plan. Whoops. Um, I was very interested in all of this. This would be a great teacher website. You can go to the standards where you can choose the state you live in, the grade level you want, and it will let you know what standards you will meet by using the lesson. So I did not realize that some websites have free lessons available for teachers. I chose this one in conjunction with the uh, ITSE Empowering Leader to Support Educators by Using Technology to Advance Learning, and also the um, one for system designers to ensure that resources for supporting the effective use of technology for learning are sufficient, scalable, and to meet the future demand. And so I think this would be a great website. It goes over here and shows you um, all the different things you can choose from, a mini lesson, a reoccurring lesson. There are printouts, different rubrics to use. Again, I am new to this field, so to see this type of this caliber of lesson plans with rubrics, and not to just rely on this, but to use it as a tool to aid in teachers. You can go up to all the different grades. Um, Again, you can choose one that you might like, a simple calendar activity, and it has step by step. Websites are provided for you. Um, Again, I think this would be something where teachers would use and be able to pull from for activities and to make sure they're aligned with state standards. Thank you.